I'm here at ETG and I've just found out they're selling either a mill or a lathe for less than 50k. This is actually my first time in the ETG showroom and I know absolutely nothing about these machines, so let's have a quick chat with Steve Brown. Steve, what did you get for 50k? I mean, first of all, tell me about the machine.
Well, basically the Vulcan range, this is one machine of the whole range. So we have an entry-level machine starting at a 600 size bed. So the variation across the board, we go from 600 all the way up to a 2.5 metre. We've got a variation of controls, Siemens, Fanuc. We've got a Mitsubishi in there, the infamous Heidenhain. Spec-wise, obviously we've got the 30 ATC swing arm tool changer.
Brilliant. So you get 30 tools for that. You get, I assume it looks like a BT40 spindle.
Yep.
Heidenhain control. It sounds almost too good to be true. What else comes as standard?
So standard, we've got the swarf management. Pretty much like you touched on there, 10k or a 12k spindle. BT, so it's a face and taper spindle.
Right,
so
which you don't normally get that as standard.
No. Some other key elements, because we did launch this machine as the Vulcan range as a commodity product. We have an engineer based out in Taiwan, so you'll stitch up on here. There's a few green stickers stuck everywhere on the machine. So we have a quality check that's made in the factory prior to it being shipped out.
So that's by an ETG personnel?
Yes. So,
you can trust these machines?
Exactly. So we have an engineer based in the factory over where these are being built that are preliminarily checked before they're brought over to ourselves.
That sounds like a pretty good deal for 50k.
Yep.
Let's move on and have a quick look at the lathe as well. So
yep.
You can also get one of these lathes for 50k. Tell me about the features on this.
So again, a complete range of lathes, starting on from a 6-inch 45mm through the bore. We've got 2-axis, we've got 3-axis. We go all the way up to a 6-metre bed, 800mm in
so
turning diameters.
So they're pretty huge, some of the big machines.
Yeah.
What's the smallest one that you do?
The smallest one is a 6-inch.
So that's what you probably expect for less than 50k.
Yeah, so to get down to that 50k mark, you're looking at a 6-inch board machine.
You can still do any kind of material on this lathe?
Yeah. So again, we've got linear or boxway. So depending upon the application, really depends on which machine we'd put forward.
And we've got Siemens control.
Cracking little control.
Yeah,
there.
they are. I love Siemens shop mills. So easy to program on the machine. So
yeah.
You don't even really need a CAM system. You could just jump straight on the machine, start programming on day one.
Yeah, exactly. So we buy that in with all the options switched on. So you know, if you want to import DXF file and JPEG files, we can take that straight into the control.
Oh, okay, so actually it's quite a high spec control for the price of the machine.
Yeah, yeah. So again, we know this area of the market is all pretty much price driven. You know. Right. We've obviously got the specifications of the machine, but whenever we're talking about a Vulcan, unfortunately, it's all based on price, and that's what we targeted the factories to do. Is we had a target market to reach.
Brilliant. And so you've obviously done quite well with the Vulcans. 50k, that's not bad. If you're looking for a new machine tool, be it either a vertical machining centre or a lathe, maybe you should check out Vulcans from ETG.